My name is Rashad Bullock. I'm a senior here at Southern Miss, and I'm an architectural engineering technology major from Tollertown, Mississippi. I'm part of a 4-person team representing Southern Miss and the School of Construction Design in a big construction competition against other universities across the nation. Currently, we are preparing a proposal for an educational facility in Orlando, and this is a big opportunity for us and for our school, and it requires a lot of dedication and teamwork. I've gained so much here at Southern, and now I get to represent my school while working with a wonderful group of people on a real-world scenario, and all of this prepares us for our future in the industry. I love doing this work because there are so many opportunities in the field, and there's new technology being integrated into it every day. It engages you and excites you for what's to come. The School of Construction Design has enhanced my skills for the past 4 years. I've found a community of great individuals who I'll continue to connect with even after I graduate. The school has given so many opportunities that have pushed me to higher levels, and with all those opportunities, I was able to be accepted into a great university for my master's in architecture, and I just want to thank the school and thank it for all its dedication to its students.